Hi, Assalamualaikum, and good morning to everyone. My name is Amirusha, and we from the Group 1. Today, we will present to you guys about our mini project about the manual clamp assembly. So for my part, I will tell you guys about the introduction of this project. Computer-aided design, or CAD, has revolutionized product design in mechanical engineering. This project focuses on drawing of a manual clamp assembly, detailing its parts, dimensions, and assembly. A manual clamp is a mechanical device used to secure objects during machining or welding. The CAD drawing includes parts like base, elbow, hinge, rod, and lever, with each part labeled and dimensioned according to its specifications.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Kohanaki Vijendran. My matric number is TH24002. I'm going to present about the objective part of our mini project Manoclam. First, for the visualized design, which is for to see how the Manoclam works in practice with respect to its actual physical experience and its component and the assembly. Second one, fit and function, which is to take dimension and check the geometry and mechanisms of the clamp to ensure they meet all the required specification and perform as intended during the practical application. The third, safe for prototyping and manufacture, which is provide accurate dimensions and design information that can be used directly for prototyping, machining, or even 3D printing. The fourth one, easier modification. Make changes and improvements to the design at will without starting from scratch, achieving efficiencies in an iterative design process. And for the last one, enhanced documentation, which is produce high quality technical drawing or renderings on the basis of the 3D model for project documentation and assembly instructions. And now for the part creation, which is the 3D drawing of the components. For first clamp base, which the function is to provide the firm base on which clamp rates and all the other components are attached. This ensures that the clamp is fastened securely onto the surface of the workbench. And these are the dimensions and the image of the 3D drawing that we proposed. For the second is the clamp elbow, and this picture shows the clamp elbow, right, which is the function as a lever arm to transfer and apply the clamp lever through the clamp foot. It is very critical component in the movement and function of the clamp. And these are the dimension as the picture of the 3D drawing that we proposed. Here is the dimension and the picture of the clamp elbow left, and the difference between the clamp elbow right and left because the the clamp to attach to the components is from the driven from the left side and other is from the right hand side.
For the clamp-based support, the function is to reinforce the stability of the clamp base by providing a firm and balanced foundation. It helps distribute the applied force evenly, ensuring that the clamp remains steady during the operation. And here is the drawing of the clamp-based support. For the function of the clamp-based spacer is to maintain precise gap or clearance between the clamp base and other components. It ensures proper alignment, reducing wear and stress on adjoining parts during clamping and operation. And here is the drawing of the clamp-based support. The clamp-based spacer. For the clamp foot pin, it serves as the central axis for attaching the clamp foot to the main assembly. It allows rotational or pivoting motion, ensuring the clamp foot can adjust to the contour or surface of the workpiece, providing a secure grip. And here is the drawing of the clamp foot pin. The function of the positive pad is to prevent damage to the surface of the workpiece being clamped. It acts as a cushioning layer, minimizing scratch, dents, or deformation, particularly when working with delicate or finished materials.
This is the picture of a clamp T along with the dimension. A clamp T serves to connect the left and right clamp elbow all together with the clamp rod at 90-degree angle. It also provides a rigid and adjustable connection between the components. The screw applies pressure to securely hold the components in place and also ensures all the components are tightly held together during processes like cutting or welding. And this is the picture of the screw along with the dimension. This is the picture of a clamp rod along with the dimension. Clamp rod provides the firm base on which the clamp rests and all other components are attached. This ensures that the clamp is fastened securely onto a surface or workbench. Lever gripper allows the user to apply and release clamping force. This function helps the user quickly and effectively apply consistent pressure without requiring excessive effort, making it a convenient tool for holding objects in place during operations.
This is a 3D drawing of a nut wrench with the dimension. A nut wrench is a manual clamp that used to tighten or loosen the nuts that secure the clamped component in place. It applies the necessary torque to ensure that the clamps hold firmly in position, providing stable and secure clamping for various tasks. Next, this is the 3D drawing of a clamp hinge with the dimension. Clamp hinge connect the clamp base along with the clamp elbow right and left, allowing them to pivot relative to each other. This motion enables the clamp to open and close, facilitating the adjustment of the clamping force and positioning of the jaw. Next, this is the 2D drawing of a clamp lever with the dimension. Clamp lever in manual clamp is to control the tightening and loosening of the clamp. When the lever is being pushed or pulled, it activates the clamping mechanism, applying or releasing pressure to hold the component securely in place. This is the 3D drawing of a clamp foot with dimension. A clamp foot serves to evenly distribute clamping force, protect the components from damage, provide stability by preventing movement, and ensure proper alignment or support of the material during operation.
For the additional part, which is a curve lever gripper that I wrote, and here is the dimension and the picture of the curve lever gripper for our lever. The function of this part is the curve shaped grip enhances mechanical advantage with great force being applied using minimal effort, hence efficient clamping. And here is a full assembly drawing of our manual clamp 3D.
This CAD drawing of a manual clamp assembly demonstrates how computer-aided design enhances modern mechanical engineering. It breaks down each component, highlighting the importance of dimensional accuracy in manufacturing. The drawing serves as an educational tool for CAD students, showcasing standardized routing and assembly processes. The project highlights CAD efficiency in design, modification, and optimization, reducing errors and improving workflows. It emphasizes CAD's crucial role in shaping the future of mechanical design and manufacturing for both students and professionals.